Welcome back. Today in this video, we're gonna work on problem binary tree upside down. So I try also solve the problem and also give you some advice for your interview. These tricks help you to have a better communication with your interviewer and also convince them that to hire you. So what we do? First of all, you need to make sure you understand question. So problem. So read it very carefully, word by word, and read it with your interviewer, not very low. Just read it loud that your interviewer can hear you, and ask some question to clear it. It's important. Ask some question, and then after you read this, you understood it, and you had planned for that, then you can tell your interviewer, I'm going to solve this by, for example, recursive, by iterative, by dynamic programming, by math, by, for example, binary search tree, and so on. So I will start to do it. So first of all, binary tree upside down. So we receive a root of binary tree, turn the tree upside down, and return the new root. So you can turn a binary tree upside down with the following steps. So these are steps that we need to do. Original left child become the new root. Original root become the new right. And the original right child become new left. So something like this. This is gonna be root, this is gonna be right, and this is gonna be left. Here we go. And this is one example. So question that maybe you ask, what is traversal way? So do we read it in order, pre-order, or post-order? So by this way, you told that your interviewer that you are more comfortable over tree. Second question, you may ask, is it possible that we have a node without right or left? Here we got answer, but maybe you didn't, then you will ask it. Or other question that maybe you mentioned to us in comment below. Then you will go to example and look at the example and see how it's worked. To get more idea, you will see this is our input and this is our output. And this is if we get nil, output will be nil. So also here is constraint that you need to make sure you get it. Okay, so now I tell my interviewer, I'm gonna approach to this problem with recursive solution. So if they say why, you can say actually your reason that you choose this. Of course, you need to have idea that's how it is. I will say that this is my normal approach. Usually, I try to approach by, for example, iterative and recursive or dynamic programming. So you choose the recursive, you believe that it's solve it. Also, your interviewer maybe tell you, no, this is not good, go by other solution. Anyway, so I'm going by recursive because I done this with iterative just in previous video. So what I do? I just say if my root was equal nil, or I better to use space here, yeah, let's make it more, or root left side equal nil, return root. It's recursive, so I'm calling this, that's why I use this if. Then I just say my roots left side is optional, yes, and also optional dot left equal my root optional dot right, and my root left and then right equal root, and my root left side optional left side equal nil, and the root right side equal nil. At the end I'm gonna return my new root. I forgot something here. I just should say my new root equal what? Equal my function. I called my function with root left. Also here I believe, yeah, here I forgot to put dots. Yeah, that's why. Okay, let's run it, see if it's work or not. I got error, new root. Oh, here. Let's run it again. So it's accepted. But don't rush. You done. You got about 80%. But you have still 20% to prove your interviewer you are not done completely. What you do, and it's very important for them, test case. So you will go to your test case and say, okay, let's add some other cases. So you need to think and say, okay, you know, worst cases, find it and put it here. So I put some more here, longer one. Also something with one node, also something with, you know, different order. So now run it. So now you will see, you must consist, root must consist of value of 1 to 10 only. So here 1 to 10 node value. So I'll go to my test case here. I put 1 0. This is not good because it means that I didn't read this. So yeah, be careful. Here we go. So we done recursive. Also here I put complexity before, but you need to put it in your code. So you will say time complexity gonna be O notation n, and I believe space gonna be O notation 1. If you think it's something different, please advise us in comment below. I'm not 100% sure about this part, but about the O notation, I believe it's like that. It's gonna be O notation n. It's gonna circle inside in depend of how many node I have, even maybe less. Yeah, if you have advice, please share it with us. Okay, that's it. So we done. Let me submit it. And here I will see result, chime 4 millisecond and 95%. Beat 95% other solution exists, which one of them is my own, iterative solution. And yeah, if you have any better solution, please share it with us in comment below. And yes, I think I'm done all of this. I just want to take you to the result, and here you will see, result about the program and the space used and the code. Please don't forget to be subscribed for more video that is only available for subscribers, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it. Have a good one. Bye bye.